I'ma head out then.
Feature to come with it is make the car more valuable, you know what I'm saying? So I said,
I'll see what it does with the 7.5 on it, and if that sunroof is,
I guess if you don't play low, you'll be all right.
Yeah, I'm a lower.
I don't know. It might not last
long. Give me anything below 30.
It might not last long.
What else I got in here?
I don't know how you keep it so nice and good with the system, because most people's stuff just start falling apart.
I have no idea. It's just a solid car. I would say
it still looks as good as last time, don't it?
There's no
It's the same vehicle, right?
Yeah.
Okay, I was thinking it was the same one.
I just changed up box, sub, and amp.
Yeah, or what kind of amp you had last time?
I had a Crescendo. I think it was a 3K.
Yeah.
And then now I'm on a M3B.
Okay, yeah.
And then, no, it was actually a Crescendo 1500. And now I'm on the DD M3B, I think it's DD.
Yep, yeah, that's what it is.
No idea. But going DC 7.5 next.
Oh, yeah. I probably won't see.
She probably gonna eject it.
Yeah, you know it.
You gotta put me on there with the greatest, man.
Let the band play. All stars are superstars. If it ain't Mr. Fly, Mr. Fly.
Yeah. That lower do it every time.
Yeah.
Where can they find you on social media?
You can find me on Instagram at Kyla SHAYE, and then on Facebook at Kyla Daniels.
Okay, I'll be sure to check it down below. I sure it was good seeing you.
Appreciate it.
Most definitely.
still rolling?
Yeah, it's still
Subscribe
rolling.
to this man's YouTube page, all right? You hear me?
I sure appreciate it, man. Tell me.
And you got the right equipment that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.